Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omuguzi omurobiri okubwatya nigo bekirwe igoro y'emyaka 13 naigo abalinse y'emyaka eyo nigo balinse y'amorokereryo y'abaibuli.
Right, mwancho muri gereria wegeta sene Ndizi TV bwairabia na gusugiri nande asimaragoba yende nogo semerenga no gena tkabukwego kene mirobiri to gena tkabukwaliga ni Ndizi TV chinga kibunechi kurulitko lya muisonde igoro nalero kulire iranga sechinsa 12 chibona mugoroba nakogendera tunyara ko batogo sanga amona abateneri n'ababwatanya nene kurwa sechikanisa aho imeyarongoro gusi ekerenga ekenene no gukwanira igoro ya umuswada hoyo urachikoba wikibwa busubwe bunge yesene tukukwanira igoro ya monchori yaranyare ko bagakoneke gwasoboteneri bwa ekanisa ndu abarigane tiabageni baito motanga tunyara tukabuto kumwarigane Reverend James Mugire hoyo ore omo Reverend bw'ekanisa ya Getembe Church of God nabego monyakero go bw'ekanisa Achons Church of God asorongoro gusi tabuiko CNCMO area ya regional national nigo are omo director of Urban Churches as Orongo Rua Kenya. Bishop Dennis Nyaboga nigo are omo teneri kwa sekanisa Jesus Glory Church. Tabuiko Prophet Nyabuto Nyamora kwa sekanisa ya Holy Synagogue yigo toka CNCMO ya Kiogoro na babo gani nyara ko bato ko warigane seri tukolera nyara ko bato kwanira subwa gari kingima ningi kire ase omuswada oyo na bwigo omuswada oyo ningi orengete koneki abuna monjoli nyare ko bakoneki wasoboteneri wechi kanisa chaito sange karengere kyabo amona into mwancho morigere botera se namba ya SMS yegota se TV yako no torele base mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital botera YouTube Ndizi TV News na website ya www.ndizitv.net gari ya chamensemo ya kabiri nero kwaneki ya chibichamuneli chago cha senchiri wekirano Elia nengoro kwa Josephat Amisi. Reverend James Mugire?
Yes.
Wa ine ndio.
Jambo sana.
Karibu sana Ndizi TV.
Thank you.
Na kiyo bokorali yarobali.
Obokorali nobuya. Otwale ngene mbere menge.
Yes.
Lakini asinge ncho yogo takagochicha asinge ncho yogo kwanira abantu baito bensemo ya busi. Yabetereria twakora bwanga asinge ncho yogocha.
Yes.
Elinde tochicha gukwanira amangana ya tulingitana narengiketaye karengete kanisa. Yes.
Karibu sana Ndizi TV no muswada krokende obwate liberera abaraya bange bechi kanisa be sokire bande bagatanga ya umuswada yokora ni gorengete ekonekia buna onyale ko bago gotukuterare value ye kanisa neli baga linendeli kanisa asobokoreri wabo tambe ne studio mancho morigeri abagani baitomba gana tukabagwikirana na mororire prophet Nyabuto Nyamora kwa kanisa ya Holy Synagogue Church kutoka se chisemo chia Kiogoro na ronyale ko baga usanga mnaitwe ngati abagani balitwali ganeti asekenga yo kwane kinga tonyale ko bato kurigeri ya sobo ikirano kigima na sangete na prophet matukama gari atenga misi okorange kanisa imetekwa nyara. Alright, tujiko batu kwa na manera sencherebo ikirano letorolengana ya arachiko baga ko bwatia prophet Nyabuto Nyamora karibu sana mimi kutasendika Ndizi TV.
Amina, asante sana.
Ngetorigire kamera iri kwa ni mwancho morigere nande unyara ko bomwarigani.
Omwana yesabakwe mu tegerero ito Ndizi TV na bokre buyamona soko konyora witra senchera ye television na ndembu yamono asomo aliko nyasausen.
Ni mona sana na kindu mayarenge mosomo.
Rero nyasaye na bamwanga nkiyobora ari gutoka.
Na ke kambioro.
Ba bete kambi.
All right.
Amen.
Ndabira kusemerenga bonse abarega se ubosanga no gusasima kuri tukori yale rambanyara ko bago sisi ngwetera se ama arange yenyara ko baga ko enekiwa ntomoga nyete Bishop Dennis Nyaboga kwa kanisa Jesus Glory Church oyibogora ko baga kusanga muna intwe chinga kiranyara ko bago kiranzo nyara ko batoko maleta imeya studio njake amona prophet Nyabuto Nyamora nengana yenyara ko bayigorigere gwase ogoikirano umuswado yo nigo nyare ko bagukurikwa nekerengeke no kwaneki abone kanisa nyare ko bage kobekwa ase obotenere kerokende boli bokumulekwa mu serikali kolengana na umuseneta oyo Otana River Danson Mungatana nikateberenga eke gosa monchori yeyo nigo anyare ko bakwaneki bakugwatekana ne visa nabigo ebintu byanyare ko bigo korekana ase obotenere kanisa gati yabo amana genya to ba kora kana sense mo area ya shakaola ikarokana nga onde tayo kurwanira obwene bwa bashiriki barimo kunyara kwa bamukora ase ekanisa.
Iwo watakumanya maoni yana.
Yes.
Mo tegereria ande na mo host yone Hamisi.
Yes.
You want to make a comment here saying who the gods want to destroy,
yes,
they first make that person go mad. If I think maybe more Senator Tana River, you go Aaron his way, yes, to be destroyed by God himself. Because number one, the bill is based on the story of Shakaola.
Yes.
So my take is this: Shakaola was a tragedy and anti-terrorism. So where was the government? Where was Kalbaring? Ngia serikali getambukiro kiile ucha saba skali gose vyombo vya usalama. Because omonto ucha komasa abantu over 1000 ime ya Kenya, yes, ase serikali ero aba kwete ngwakana balenge bango aba bantu bamwe ngwakana balenge bango.
Yes.
Serikali takere go protect every individual kutoka Kenya. Wakabunande mega yonda kere ko assured of my security by the government.
Yes.
Ya toka ngana bantu mba kwete Shakaola. Wago batera ngabona kabantu ba kwete Shakaola, the church should take the blame. Where was the government? Kaya baskali ba ninga tikero investigations. Where's the work of the DCI?
Yes.
So the government failed. The government should not look for a scapegoat. Yure kanisa ba tenga ne kanisa ya koleta mbono da chaga ya mondu anilima igo
the prophet you just hold it there nje ase omo reverend to James Mugira kirokende prophet Nyabuto telling where was the government. I think now is the high time that the government is coming on board. Omo chano na yule kekora tolotenga batso ile bono bategete ko make sure nga omo shiriki prophet na receive wetra maybe emuswado ebara chikoro ya asebunge senate.
Amisi again tanga ni ntagete to chaka kuligereria igo tuligereria tanga ninge kanisa ninki,
yes,
ne government ngendoki omanyete e kanisa ne community project ne bintu binde munabire chi sukuru ne chinyagitali ne bintu binde ekaro tugate bintu bibyonsa as community projects kire bintu mbibwate obuya bwaje no bwebo bwaje.
Yes.
A kanisa is distinct and extremely unique. Nemereme agokora. But within nemereme agokora, muno yo mintate bire a government nere bwate ebantu tokoroka the security apparatus. Lingana liya Shakaola, we are already finding, in fact, they are already coming in to see the outcome.
Yes.
Mbantu kiba wenda takuligereria osibanya ba wenda takumanyanga linganeli liabe.
Yes.
Osiobo komumbora. It is not the church, it is the government, and that is the work of the government. Like yako abantu bakurwa abananchi tokurwa tax so that the government etwale machineries chiko tolinda na chiko lendo bugima bwa muntu onde bwenzi. So the government ase Shakaola they failed. Ne kanisa karola failed ebintu bibyabeire. This is again an exceptional case. Ekitali bintu biko babitabi abero sempre tubine tam. No nyene government nge bwate it is on incomes. So they mba ota number 1 nda tukora atera laki number 1 mungatana koteba nga regulate kanisa. That is madness of the highest order.
Alright.
Exactly.
You can't regulate a church.
Temana sana manchomo ligereria sange garagari kia gono to live ase mitandao yetu na bwigo gwetra sena mbaya SMS yota seti bya babo na bogo sanga amona intwe abasomba mu nganchenga nanya ko bingo batumira twe copies yomo oswada oyo ntera ko batokolire chi areas chiria anene chibwate omo chando tuchakira sensemo area ya Kabere 32 yomo swado yongo kwanerere about registration of religious organization okwerikia anene wechi kanisa. According to Muswada Oyo Prophet Nyabuto Nigaotabanga, there is established office of registrar of religious organization. Is your church registered?
Of course. That's why we operate bank accounts. We must be registered.
Yes.
We are not registered because the government wants us to register. We register because we also want to get to access,
yes,
some of the facilities here in place. Actually, the Church of God should be registered in heaven. It is not the Church of Kenya. We are not the Church of Kenya. We are not a branch of the government. Yeah. So we are only doing registration, not because the government has said it. In developed countries like the US, you choose to register or not.
Yes.
When you register, when you are some incentives, kara abantu bakuru maybe bako donate why tax exempt receipts.
Yes.
That is the only reason why in developed countries people are registering. Otherwise, when you register, it's up to you. When you don't, it's still up to you, as long as you are within the law.
All right.
In fact, in America we have conservative churches. Like abantu bara bakuru kwa very so conservative paka wana America, but they would make an honest.
Yes.
So why is Kenya all of a sudden changing? Demonic powers, they are trying to fight the Church of God.
Yes.
So this thing you are seeing here is not normal. This is a satanic thing, and we are going to work on it from the spiritual part.
All right. Whether also very clear and the Registrar of Religious Organization. Yani kanisa ndio yene as a prophet nyabutote venga you registered na ara yugwetania sevengi. Kera batanga there should be a formation of a religious organization through which a registrar of a church organization through which a kanisa onya misiri tukulia lero a kanisa ni mbwatra labda ngorande kanisa get need to register under the umbrella your organization ikoronga registrar of church organization. Yes.
Muno yo mintateba. You know, a government ya Kenya igongumeti ase kurwa na ase guchi. That is number one. I want to say that a kanisa ne government botambe igoya atwale tegento tokuruka it is intertwined. Igeramo. In fact, to was separate a kanisa or separate ne government. A kanisa na biko ekokora registration because muno yomitata want to take access certain facilities, certain services. And we want also to be known that we are operating, we are not criminals, yes. We are people operating within the law of the land. And that one is, we are not coerced. Ndoriko as misula toka yanda tuchiko Leicester. Yes. Lakini toka Leicester singe njuli chikana kwa ikato Leicester. Kwa ile ntaka mokira aweka ekenene ngeliga. Oko Leicester kanisa tikuri okome. Registration weke akome. Na ndege yokorwa e partnero nere yoko gechie nene. Yes. Otirimboke go chance kara go some document area ige ko genda go chance paka yacha go tebu kuna batake to isaransa. Yes. Ba isaransa bali guleti kanisa up to the country level. Lakini take them mention ige ntakam. Ine amisi ekara to ko ira bantu parliament botambe go ba goteba nga e kanisa ilubera kando abantu basiasa bakole siasa bagenda parliament. Bona abantu bakuru isikana na bakole tu kanisa baje ko bachira chestra. Yes. Baje ko regulate kanisa yao. Neri boli toko boli mancho muri gele marago bayabono ndoche wa possibly a very good question. Prophet ligatangira na asoli kwa mateki bole bororo rogatia ekanisa twarore nga bange bone iga ekera mabirasi ya sagocha leko nyora barajia bange bakumyokere kanisa nga wana prophet ikirenga ki ya siasa. I think it's the right time now we need to bring the church on board.
Actually you did share with me a document.
Yes.
Ya mukatana propose.
All right.
About everything or just to sangre sadaka yonsi regento donation si chibe kwamo chibe taxed properly. You know in mungatano proposed in ngabuneki.
Yes.
Ono moralia the question kwa body it is just about money. But everything e kanisa teba political. Ndo andro mambo ya politics ase kanisa.
Yes.
Karogoro bago che kanisa. Politics. So should politicians not step in charge? Yes. You proposing any politician kanisa.
Yes.
So you cannot tell us not to be not talk political. We don't talk comment on political matters. Yes. When our people are the ones voting. Then you should also bring a clause. Anybody who is religious, yes. Because the voters, they have to be political. With the church should give civic education. We are the ones with the people. Even the president himself belongs to a religious organization.
Yes.
Everybody belongs to a religious organization. So don't tell us to shut up. Number two, yes. You see, you correct this thing what body religious organizations. But Manyanga, even Islam is part of the religious organization. Even Hindu is part of the religious organization. Why are they not shouting? This thing is only affecting the Christian. It's only affecting the church. I know, Moralia, you are more informed than us on Mangana media na coverage. You will know of one funny character in Mombasa, Abu Drogo. Abu Drogo was an Islamic extremist. Oreko irabantu obaitambo koji Somalia baba terrorist.
Yes.
When it happened, ngibata secretary mosques in Kenya. Ngibata tata ngol mosques ba chibe chikol rubin to bitere to kol. This is just a scheme from hell.
Do you want to say prophet nga ne kanisa the target?
Of course, is the church. Have you heard the Hindus talk?
Labda mswada ko ncherole ngocho.
No. Why? It's religious organizations. Are Hindus not religious?
Yes.
Yeah. You